Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you are fine, good, cool and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on the bell icon for getting notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram, you guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing these turbans and Arabic marks, you guys can contact to my own brand AD. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in our description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful white turban like Mufti Tariq Masood. So let's see how can you tie this.
وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني دائما وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.